O my God, O thou who endowest every just power and equitable dominion with abiding glory and everlasting might, with permanence and stability, with constancy and honor. Aid thou by thy heavenly grace every government that acteth justly toward its subjects, and every sovereign authority derived from thee that shieldeth the poor and the weak under the banner of its protection. I beseech thee, by thy divine grace and surpassing bounty, to aid this just government, the canopy of whose authority is spread over vast and mighty lands, and the evidences of whose justice are apparent in its prosperous and flourishing regions. Assist, O my God, its hosts, raise aloft its ensigns, bestow influence upon its word and its utterance, protect its lands, increase its honor, spread its fame, reveal its signs, and unfurl its banner through thine all-subduing power and thy resplendent might in the kingdom of creation. Thou verily aidest whomsoever thou willest, and thou verily art the Almighty, the most powerful. Abdu'l-Bahá.